Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and I'm so glad you're joining me here for Yoga with Meditation Mutha. Spring is in full effect here, and I am enjoying spending so much time in my garden surrounded by nature. So I thought this practice would be all about connecting with nature. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to start by taking a moment to get into a comfortable seat. Close your eyes. And whether you're doing this practice indoors or outdoors, just tuning in to your connection with your seat on the earth. And just noticing that energy of where your seat touches the ground. Feeling the support of the earth below you. And just with the next few breaths, noticing that energy from the earth. And on an inhale, bring that energy up through your seat, up the back of the spine, through the crown of the head. And on an exhale, releasing and softening more towards the earth. Let's do that a few more times. Inhale, lengthening. And exhale, connecting back down into the ground. Inhale, expanding. And exhale, softening. And gently opening the eyes. My little puppy's joining us. Hi, Jimmy. Good. So we're going to be taking a moment just to notice the nature around us. Nature gives us feedback and messages on a continuous basis. So if we pause and take a moment to observe, we can receive the messages that it receives and that it gives us. So we're going to start by bringing our palms face up as a sign of receiving. And just taking a moment to notice everything that's going on around you. Again, whether you're indoors or outdoors, just pausing for a moment to notice the sounds around you. Maybe noticing the breeze or the air connecting with your skin. Just noticing the scent in the air. And just taking a few moments to notice all the sights around you. Bringing your hands to heart center, inviting that energy into your heart. And now we're going to fold forward and really ground down into the earth. So we'll take a moment to take our left foot in front of the right foot. Sit up nice and tall. You might want to scoot yourself out of the way, rolling the flesh of your bottom out to the sides. And then folding forward in that space. You can come to hands on the ground or possibly elbows, maybe supporting your head or stacking your fists. Whatever feels good for you, getting into a sustainable position and just feeling the support of the earth below you. Take a few breaths into your back body. Exhale, soften. Let's do it again. Inhale, expand. And with every exhale, grounding down towards the energy of the earth. Good. Inhale, expand. And exhale. Inhale to come all the way up. Jimmy's really getting into this practice. And pausing for a moment. Good. Let's switch sides. So this time, let's have the right foot out in front. Sit up nice and tall. Take an inhale, lift your belly up, and then fold forward. Prop yourself in any way that you need to. Coming to forearms or elbows, relax the back of the neck. And then really grounding down into the earth. Inhale, expand the back body. Exhale, softening. Inhale, create space. And exhale, surrender towards the support of the earth below you. Let's do that again. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Inhale, coming all the way up. Good. Plant your fingertips out to the side. Keep your right hand on the earth. Face your left palm up, and we're going to point the pointer finger and the thumb to touch. Good. Reach over to the side. Look up at your hand and really pulling that energy of the sun this time down into your body, maybe radiating your heart towards that energy light. And take a nice inhale here. Exhale. Good. On an inhale, pulling the energy of the sun down into the fingertips. And exhale. Good. Do it again one more time. Inhale. And exhale, release the hand all the way down. Let's try the other side. So allowing the left fingertips to touch, right palm faces up, bring your pointer finger and thumb together, and then inhale, reach over to the side, open up the heart towards the sun, and draw the energy of that light into your body on an inhale. Exhale, grounding down into the earth. Good. Inhale, expand the ribs and lungs. Exhale, soften towards the ground. Good. Do it again. Inhale. And exhale, release all the way down. This time we'll take the left hand, cross it over to the right knee, reach back behind us with the right hand and look over the back shoulder. Relax the shoulders away from the ears and just notice what you see. If you're outdoors, maybe looking at color and texture of your surrounding area. If you're indoors, maybe looking at an object that you typically pass by on a daily basis. Just really tuning into your surroundings. And take a nice inhale here. Exhale. Inhale again. And exhale, unwind. Good. Let's try the other side. So this time, right hand to left knee. Reach back behind, look over the back shoulder. Good. Take a few breaths here and just noticing what you see around you. You're looking at the texture and the color of this green fern and the shape of the leaves. Noticing the sounds of the birds chirping. Right below the hips, we're going to reach our arms nice and wide out to the edge of the mat and in front of us, and then drop our forehead to the earth. Relax the chest, relax the belly. If you need a prop underneath your forehead, feel free to use that. And just sinking our heart more towards the earth. Softening the elbows. Allowing the hips to stay high, and every inhale expanding the heart, receiving the energy of nature around us, and then exhale, softening into that space. Let's do it again. Inhale. And exhale. Good. One more time. Inhale, expand, breathing in all that surrounds you. Exhale, surrendering into that energy. And slide the hands underneath you. Come back to hands and knees. We're going to take the left knee out to the left hand, nice and wide. And then sweep that foot through, curl your back toes, lift your back knee, and wiggle that leg all the way back. Point the toe. Walk your fists in, and again, just connect with something. Noticing texture, color, sound, and scent. Feeling the earth or below you or the breeze on your skin. And taking a nice inhale here. Exhale, fold forward, grounding down again to the energies of the earth. So you may prop yourself with elbows and forehead to the hands, or fists stacked, or hands stacked, whatever feels comfortable and sustainable for you. And we'll be here for several breaths, really feeling the effects of gravity as our body gets pulled towards the security of Mother Earth. Take a nice inhale, directing your breath into your left glute. Expand. Exhale, surrender your chest towards the earth. Inhale, expand that left glute. Exhale, soften. Good. Inhale, expand. Exhale, release. Good. Inhale, walk your hands all the way back up. And we'll come to hands and knees. Let's take that left leg and extend it all the way back behind us. Open up the back of the knee. And then round in like a cat. Look at your belly and just pause for a moment, opening up the back of the knee. Good. Come back to hands and knees. This time we're going to take that right knee to the right hand. Sweep your foot through just a little bit. Curl the back toes. Lift your back knee and wiggle your leg all the way back. Point the toes. Walk the fists in. Maybe noticing something else that's in front of you. Just really tuning into the finite details of whatever is in front of you. And I can see a spider web with a spider and a flower in it. And noticing the vines crawling up the lattice here. Take a nice inhale into the space. Exhale, fold in forward with full support of Mother Earth, supporting yourself in any way you need to. And starting to direct your breath, take a nice inhale into the right glute this time. Exhale, surrender. Inhale, expand. Exhale, soften. Good. Inhale, creating space. And exhale, feeling the full support of Mother Earth below you. Let's bring our bodies back up. And we're going to come to hands and knees again. Good. Let's curl the toes, reach that leg all the way back, and then round in like a cat, looking at your belly. Take a nice inhale here. Exhale, come back to hands and knees, and we'll sweep the legs all the way through. You can scoot yourselves forward on your mat and bend the knees. Bring your hands behind you so the fingertips are pointing towards the body. If you have some sunlight, you can point that sunlight towards your face, maybe even the third eye, and allow it to trickle through your closed eyelids. Good. Lifting the face up towards the sun. Bend the elbows and then draw the elbows towards each other. Push into the arms to straighten. Open up the heart and roll the shoulders back behind you. Take a nice inhale into your heart center. Exhale. Good. Inhale, receiving that beautiful energy from the sun and your surroundings. Exhale. Good. One more time, feeling grounded towards the earth. Lift the heart up towards the sky. And exhale. Good. Bend the elbows. Come back to seated. And pause for a moment. Relax your hands in your lap. Gently close the eyes. And just notice again the sense of the air on your skin, sounds around you, the scent in the air, and drawing in pure gratitude into the center of your heart, allowing for this moment to really connect with nature and the energies around you. Let's bring our hands to heart center, bowing the mind to the heart, and just thank yourself for being present and connected today. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your meditation mother. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. And if you are interested in learning about yoga retreats happening all around the world, including a yoga and safari retreat in Tanzania, Africa, and a Costa Rica retreat coming up, then please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.